an average American before marriage sleep with 4.5 persons before marriage, rather. Let's talk about sex, because most of the questions that came borders on sex. God created us with a desire and capacity to have sex. Marriage is the only avenue for anyone to explore and enjoy sex. Hebrews 13 verse 4. Sex should never be used as a weapon of manipulation or punishment in marriage. 1 Corinthians 7:2 verse 4. I said that sex is the amalgam of love, the oil of intimacy, and fuel of understanding. There's a kind of quarrel that goes on in the house. The only thing that settles it very quickly is a good sex. After sex, you now look and say, why are we fighting? You understand? Understanding does come upon you. Well and frequently used, the marriage is full of joy and fruit. Chinua Achebe said that a home where the bed is making a lot of noise, there is no quarrel. Now let's talk about sexual purity. The best gift you can bring to marriage, whether male or female, is the gift of chastity. If you do not honor marriage before you enter, it may be difficult to honor it when you are in it. Let me explain. You are in courtship with this brother or this sister because you want to marry, which is sacred. But during courtship, you are already violating marriage by having sex. Right? It means you are not honoring it. If you are able to break that boundary before marriage, the likelihood of you breaking boundaries even in marriage is very high. Because the fact that you are married to one person does not immune you from sexual temptation from any other person. Even within yourself, does not secure you from lust for any other person. I was going through research that an average American before marriage sleep with 4.5 persons before sex. There was even 5%. That's just statistical estimation. But about 4 persons before marriage, rather. And the author said that's why many marriages fail. You have catenated, you have bonded with 4 persons previously, 4 different experiences. Your brain stores information, compares what you see now to what you have seen before. So now you're not saying that this guy was slow, 2 second man, because you have seen Yamaha before. So these things can strain the marriage. So for us Christians, sexual purity, chastity is the best gift, especially for those who have not defined themselves in any way or form. But for those who are, please, the Bible says, he who steals should what? He who steals should what? Steal no more. So God can redeem you and regenerate your heart. I said one of the reasons why many marriages collapse in the near future is premarital sex and excessive marriage. People of 19 years, they've had more than 19 boyfriends. Not your boyfriend, sexual partner. Hookup culture is not very common. Is there anybody doing hookup here? Say, it's not a good thing now. My brother say, if you should have now, that's the should have a market. If it's a good thing, for say, So if you are doing it, do no more. Sexual purity in marriage. Couple must be committed to sexual purity in thoughts and action in marriage, as Jesus standards for us is so high, and only standard that can keep marriage safe. Keep marriages pure and safe. Couples should prioritize the spouse over their children. Your children will leave you, but you'll be with your spouse till you die. So prioritize their needs, their sexual needs. Couples must deny themselves sex. Couples must not deny themselves sex, lest they give the devil a weak spot for temptation. The drive of pleasure is one of the strongest drive. The drive of pain is one of the strongest drive. When you deny either partner of this for so long, the devil has a place to tempt. The devil is scheming daily, and it's a priority for both couples. The brother asked the question: if a man wants to live and the woman say, I want sex, is there no time for everything? Oga, ask her, ask serious, say very serious, Oga, push it. Do you understand? Because living out in that state gives room for the devil. When you are going to work, the devil uses that as desire to walk around.